show you how a few simple changes in your business can exponentially increase your revenue and your profit and all that kind of stuff. I'm Brandon Stiles. I'm a digital marketer in Atlanta, and it turns out, and I got this from a book from Jay Abraham, that there are 3 ways to build your business. Okay, so I'm going to list them out right here on this board. So number 1, you can get more clients, right? It's pretty obvious. If you get more people to join your business, you will probably make more money. 2 is to charge more, so you can keep the same amount of clients or customers, but just charge more. Maybe you increase the price of your flagship product. And then 3 is increase the number of transactions those customers have. So if you keep your prices the same and your clients the same, but each client makes one more transaction per year than they did, then you would be increasing your business too. Now, let's say you did each one of those by 10%. Well, what would that yield in terms of revenue? 10%, right? Well, let's check it out. So let's say that right now you've got 100 clients or customers. So customers, you've got 100. All right, and let's say you charge $10 for whatever it is you sell. Like, let's say it's kind of a low priced service, all right? And then let's say they buy 10 times a year. Or let's say it's a yearly thing. So, or let's just keep it at 10. They buy 10 times a year, okay? So 100 times $10 times 10 times, well, that's going to be 100 times 100, and that's going to be $10,000. So there's what we've got working with right now. Now let's increase all those by 10%, all right? So that's going to go to 110 customers. That's going to go to $11, sorry about that. And then that is going to go to 11 transactions each, right? So you just increased it by 10%, which is going to be 11. So you're increasing by 1. So what does that equal? Well, does that equal just $11,000? Well, no, let's do the math right here. 110 times 11 times 11 is going to come out to $13,310. I think my math's right there. Yeah, I believe so. So by increasing the business 10% each, we've really increased it 33%. And you can do the math if you can increase this 20%, if you can increase this 25%, whatever. That's how you can quickly and easily build your business. So little steps that you might not think are very important can actually be very important. So that's your little lesson for today. Just make those small steps, make those small changes. Charge 10% more. Find 10% more clients, all right? You can find an extra 10 people. Try and do something to increase their number of transactions. You know, maybe put them on some sort of payment plan or something like that. I'm Brandon Stiles. I'm a digital marketer in Atlanta. Go out now and find ways that you can increase your clients just a little bit, that you can charge just a little bit more, and that you can increase the number of transactions those people make just a little bit more. We'll see you next time. Alexa, what's 110 times 11 times 11?
The answer to your calculation is 13,310.
It's going to come out to 13,310.